Oftentimes, people seek to raise their vibration with things like music, meditation, positive thinking, and changing their environment, without even realizing that our default operating system is responsible for influencing 95% of our vibrational frequencies, and it can keep us stuck in low vibrations. When you understand how the operating system works, you also understand exactly how to make it work for you to raise your vibrations quickly. And that's what you're going to learn here today. Let's dive in. If you're new around here, hi, I'm Kristen Becker. I release 2 new videos every single week to empower you for smarter manifesting. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss one. The nature of our lives is a reflection of the nature of our energy. Chances are high that almost everything you're doing to raise your vibration is being counteracted by the daily automated actions driven by your default operating system. And the good news is that it's easy to fix when you understand how it works. So let's look at what's going on there and how to fix it. What is the default operating system, and why is it so powerful at keeping us stuck in low vibrations? What you are about to discover just may surprise you, and it will create a profound shift in how you view and navigate your life. Our default operating system drives all of the little choices that we make in life. It determines what choices we make, and most importantly to our vibration, why we make those choices. It's downloaded in our childhood to our subconscious programming, and almost everyone in our society uses it, which is why it seems so logical to our conscious mind. To better understand this, let's look at what's going on when we use the default operating system and how it affects our vibrations. When we use the default operating system, we are making choices based on what other people will think and out of a fear of not being accepted. This undermines our inherent sense of self-worth and value. It implies to our unconscious mind that our worthiness is always in question and can be taken away from us at any moment based on the opinions of those outside of us. This is a low vibrational, fear-based way of operating, which is always going against our natural high vibrational state of feeling worthiness, safety, acceptance, and love. This is in direct contrast to our ideal vibrational state. Everything about our human system is designed to function optimally in states of coherence. When scientists place a cell in a petri dish with a toxin on one side and a nutrient on the other, the cell always moves towards the nutrients and away from the toxins. What that tells us is that every cell in our body is inherently drawn to an ideal high vibrational state that supports our physical and mental well-being. Likewise, when you allow your whole system to come into vibrational coherence, this is a state in which you can thrive in all ways and allow your best self to come out into the world naturally. And yet the default operating system drives us to contradict our natural state of thriving and vibrational coherence through the choices that we make all day long and the fear-based emotions that underlie those choices. For example, you might be encouraged to take a job that doesn't excite your soul. You know you really don't want to do it, but everyone says it's a great opportunity, and you're afraid of what people will think or what they will say if you choose instead to follow your heart. And so you commit yourself to months, if not years, or even a lifetime of enduring a low vibrational experience because of fear-based emotions. This is how the default operating system works. By continuing to use this operating system, we are sending very powerful low vibrational messages to our unconscious mind. One of the most detrimental messages that we send to our unconscious mind is, I can't trust myself, and my vibrational harmony is not a priority. This is all in direct contrast to basic self-care and the highest vibrational love-based energies. By continuing to use this operating system, We learn again and again not to trust ourselves as we continuously make choices and pursue behavior that demonstrate to our unconscious that maintaining our ideal vibrational state is just not a priority. Now, you're probably beginning to see why doing things to raise your vibration without considering how the default operating system is affecting your vibration is kind of like rearranging the deck furniture on the Titanic. Those bursts of high vibrational experiences are not going to do much to change your vibrational destiny while the default operating system is still running your day-to-day life. Now that we've pulled back the curtain to better understand how the default operating system works and how it's affecting our vibrations, let's look at an alternative operating system, one that is easy to use and supports keeping you in your highest vibrational state. Each of us has our own natural vibrational state in which we thrive. When we make choices in life that allow us to stay in that nurturing vibrational state, we learn to trust ourselves. We demonstrate to our souls and our spirits that we love ourselves by honoring and caring for ourselves and our well-being. And we do this all so simply with our daily actions and choices. Unconditional self-love is one of the highest vibrational states, which is then naturally reflected back to you in the nature of your reality. Remember, the nature of our lives is a reflection of the nature of our energy. As you continue to practice this in your everyday life, it will become your new default operating system. To do this, simply stop and make conscious choices. Remember that you're no longer making those choices based on what other people will think or based on fear-based emotions, but instead, you're now making those choices based on what is going to move you more into vibrational coherence or keep you in vibrational coherence. We can all sense and feel this vibrational harmony. We know it intuitively. It's just that we're not taught to use it and lean into it when we are young. And so it becomes a natural skill that we tend to let go of. Let's look at an example of using this operating system in your everyday life. When someone asks you to do something that you really don't want to do or you don't have time to do, you can usually feel that full body no kicking in. This is your own sense of your vibrational harmony, telling you that this is not a good fit for you. And yet you find yourself agreeing and often rationalizing that it's somehow a reasonable response, despite the fact that your vibrations immediately and clearly indicated that this is not a good fit for you right now. Using the vibrational coherence formula, you would instead simply ask yourself, will this keep me in or get me into vibrational coherence and harmony? And if not, what options would? As you continue making choices based on this system, you get enhanced clarity about what is best for you. You become more and more confident in your own natural ability to navigate your life entirely from your own inherent knowingness of what is just right for you and why. In stark contrast to the fear-based default operating system, this is a self-love-based operating system that is naturally high vibrational and continues to enhance your own vibrational frequencies exponentially. You will naturally become more confident, more grounded in your inherent value and worth, and enjoy all of the life experiences that come along with living in this higher vibrational state. Remember, the nature of our lives is a reflection of the nature of our energy. As with everything in life, we can only shift our energy through our actual experiences. So go out there and put this into practice in your own life today. Let me know in the comments which areas of your life you're most excited about using this in. Be sure to like this video and subscribe, and keep watching. I'll see you in the next video.